College life can be exciting and overwhelming, but let's be honest. Managing money as a student? It's tough. If you're tired of feeling broke, stressed, or unprepared, today's video is here to change that. These personal finance tips for college students are designed to set you up for success, not just for graduation, but for life. So whether you're trying to save, budget, or make a little extra cash, this is the financial crash course you didn't know you needed. 1 point. The financial challenges students face. Let's start with the truth. College is expensive. Between tuition, books, housing, and social activities, it's easy to feel like money is slipping through your fingers. You're juggling classes, maybe a part-time job, and trying to have a life. It feels like there's never enough cash or time. But here's the good news. You're not alone, and you can take control of your finances. Think about it. Do you know exactly where your money is going each month? No? Let's fix that. Because the first step to solving a problem is knowing what you're up against. 2. Practical tips for managing money in college. Tip 1. Build a simple budget. Start with a basic budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials like rent and food, 30% for fun, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. It's not just about restricting yourself. It's about knowing your limits. Imagine the confidence of knowing you're in control. No more overdrafts or surprise bills. And no, coffee runs don't count as essentials, even if your barista knows your order by heart. Tip 2. Find student discounts and free resources. From Spotify to Amazon, student discounts are everywhere. Use them. And don't forget about campus resources. Free tutoring, fitness centers, and even food pantries can save you a ton. But did you know there's another hack that could save you thousands in the long run? Stay tuned. Tip 3. Avoid credit card debt at all costs. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. They're convenient but dangerous if you're not careful. Stick to one card, pay it off every month, and don't let that balance grow. Because nothing kills your financial future faster than high-interest debt. Now, let's talk about ways to actually make money while in college. Tip 4. Start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or selling your creations, side hustles are the best way to boost your income without taking time away from your studies. What's your skill? Writing? Photography? Even selling used textbooks can add cash to your pocket. Tip 5. Save on textbooks and supplies. Stop paying full price for books. Rent, buy used, or go digital. Sites like Chegg and Amazon have made it easier than ever to save on essentials. And here's a pro tip. Check if your library has digital copies. Free beats cheap every time. Tip 6. Start building your credit. Your credit score might not seem important now, but trust me, it'll matter when you want to rent an apartment or get a car loan. Build it wisely by paying bills on time and keeping your credit card balance low. Tip 7. Begin investing early. Even $10 a month in an investment account can grow into thousands by the time you're 40. Apps like Robinhood and Acorns make it easy for beginners. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine watching your savings grow while your friends are still figuring out their budgets. Tip 8. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses happen. A flat tire, a surprise trip home. Save at least $500 to start. It'll save you stress and keep you out of debt. College is your time to learn, grow, and set the foundation for your future, financially and otherwise. By budgeting, saving, and making smart choices, you're setting yourself up for a life of freedom and opportunity. Now that you've got your personal finance game strong, why not take it to the next level? Check out my video on how to make money work for you. Learn how to turn your savings into wealth through investing and passive income. Click here to watch it and start your journey to financial independence today.